Hi all, I'm glad to see you again on my channel. The topic of our today's lesson is animals. We will go to the zoo to observe different kinds of animals. The zoo is called High Park, is located in the country of Israel in the city of Motzkin. It is called one of the most beautiful zoos in Israel. In this zoo, animals do not sit in their cages, but walk in their pens. Do you often visit a zoo? I know that many animal lovers don't like zoos. They claim that the zoo animals are kept in cramped spaces. But in those zoos where I was, the animals were kept in good conditions. They were not crowded. Unlike the wild, they had quality treatment and sufficient food. I think that the zoo is a very important and useful place. First, the zoo helps scientists observe and study animals. These studies play a very important role in the modern world. They help to treat wild animals most effectively. Also, the study of animals expands our understanding of many biological processes and moves science forward. Secondly, the vast majority of animals kept in the zoo have not been caught from the wild. Some of them were seized from poachers or from circuses. Some of the animals are injured animals that simply cannot survive in the wild. And I will remind you how to work with this video. For the first time, you need to watch this video, repeating your words and sentences after me. Repeat the sentences after me out loud. Try to speak loudly and clearly. Then you need to watch this video the second time to write down your words in your personal dictionary. Today is a wonderful, nice day. It's hot outside. The sun is shining brightly. I invite you for a walk in the zoo. This is a penguin fountain. Fountain. Penguin. Penguin fountain. And this is a sculpture with zebras. Zebra. Sculpture. Swan. Sculpture of swans. Swan. Sculpture. Sculpture of swans. I walk past animal posters. I see a ticket office with a green visor. This is the entrance to the zoo. These are tickets. Tickets are needed in order to enter the zoo. I bought a ticket to the zoo. This is the entrance to the zoo. I enter the zoo. Arrows are depicted on the ground, so that is clear where to go. What kind of animal is that? This is Nila Niala, or simply Niala, an antelope with spiral horns that lives in southern Africa. Females and young males have 10 or more white stripes on their sides. It should not be confused with the endangered mountain Niala in Ethiopia. The Niala is mostly active in the early morning and late afternoon. It usually grazes during the day in temperatures of 20 to 30 Celsius and at night during the rainy season. As a herbivore, the Niala feeds on leaves, fruits, and herbs and requires ample fresh water. Scan this QR code to learn more about this animal. We go to the next part of the zoo. We need to enter this archway. There is a map of the zoo in front of the entrance. This zoo is not very big. Let's go further. The kangaroo is a marsupial from the family Macropodidae. Macropods meaning large food. In common use, the term is used to describe the largest species from this family. Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia and New Guinea. The largest species of the family are called kangaroos, and the smallest are generally called wallabies. The term Walrus refers to species of an intermediate size. There are also the tree kangaroos. Kangaroos have large, powerful hind legs, large feet adapted for leaping, a long muscular tail for balance, and a small head. Like most marsupials, female kangaroos have a pouch called marsupium, in which enjoys complete development. The emu is the second tallest living bird after its relative the ostrich. It is endemic to Australia, where it is the largest native bird and the only extant member of the genus Dromaeus. The emu's range covers most of mainland Australia. Emus are soft-feathered, brown, flightless birds with long necks and legs, and can reach up to 2 meters in height. Emus can travel great distances and, when necessary, can sprint at 50 kilometers per hour. The brown capuchin is a capuchin monkey from the Atlantic forest in southeastern Brazil and far northeastern Argentina. The name Ara is derived from the Tupi word ara, a sound a macaw makes. The Ara macaws are large striking parrots with long tails, long narrow wings, and vividly colored plumage. They all have a characteristic bare face patch around the eyes. Males and females have similar plumage. The budgerigar is a small, long-tailed, seed-eating parrot, usually nicknamed the budgie, or, in American English, the parrotie. Naturally, the species is green and yellow with black scalloped markings on the nape, back, and wings. The cockatiel, also known as viral or quarian, is a medium-sized parrot that is a member of its own branch of the cockatiel family endemic to Australia. They are prized as household pets and companion parrots throughout the world and are relatively easy to breed. As a caged bird, cockatiels are second in popularity only to the budgie. Lovebird is a small group of parrots in the Old World parrot family. Of the 9 species in genus, all are native to the African continent. Social and affectionate, the name comes from the parrot's strong monogamous pair bonding and the long periods which paired birds spend sitting together. Lovebirds live in small flocks and eat fruit, vegetables, grasses, and seeds. Some species are kept as pets. The eclectus parrot is a parrot native to the Solomon Islands, Sumba, New Guinea and nearby islands, northeastern Australia and the Maluku Islands. It is unusual in the parrot family for its extreme sexual dimorphism of the colors of the plumage, the male having a mostly bright emerald green plumage and the female is mostly bright red and purple blue. Large populations of these parrots remain, and they are sometimes considered pests for eating fruit of trees. Did you enjoy our walk? I'm sure that you do. Please support my channel, like and comment on this video. Let's learn English with pleasure. All people learn English from different reasons, but most of them learn English in order to speak it. The more often you speak English, the better you will be in it. Remember to speak out loud more often. And now it's time for practice. I will show you pictures of animals and you call out loud what kind of animal it is. What kind of animal is this? This is ostrich emu. Ostrich emu. What kind of animal is this? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. What kind of animal is this? This is nyala. Nyala. What kind of animal is this? This is zebra. Zebra. What kind of animal is this? This is swan. Swan. What kind of animal is this? This is era or Macau. Era. What kind of animal is this? This is monkey. Monkey. What kind of animal is this? This is budgerigar. Budgerigar. What kind of animal is this? This is cockatiel parrot. Cockatiel parrot. What kind of animal is this? This is lovebird parrot. Lovebird parrot. Next task. Answer my questions. After each question, I will leave a pause for your answer. Say your answer out loud. After that, I will answer these questions myself to give you a sample answer. Can a penguin swim? Yes, the penguin can swim. All penguins swim well. What color are swans? Swans can be black or white. What color is a zebra? Zebra is striped. Zebra has black and white stripes. Where are zoo tickets sold? Zoo tickets are sold at the ticket office. Can you feed the animals at the zoo? No, you can't feed animals in the zoo. Feeding animals is strictly prohibited. Where does a kangaroo live in nature? The kangaroo lives in Australia. How is kangaroo different from the other mammals? Kangaroo is a marsupial animal. The pups are born underdeveloped, and the development of newborn is in the mother's pocket. Is the emu big or small? The emu is very large. Which parrot is bigger, the budgerigar or the macaw? The macaw is larger. Your homework is to write a letter to a friend. Tell your friend about how you went to the zoo and what animals you saw there. What animal made the strongest impression on you? Our lesson has come to an end. In the next video, we will continue our walk around the zoo. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. See you soon!